Assalomu alaykum hurmatli og'alar. Mana bugun biz yana bir obyektimizda ishlarimizni tugatib olganmiz. Qisqacha obzorimizni ko'rib, yoqsa kommentariyada bitta 1 dan 5 gacha belgilab ketasizlar.
You understand everything, you see it plainly, but you turn away the sparkle in your eyes. And I try so vainly, and I try so vainly. I attempt to tell you